Honor Destiny working for Delee. Absa de Koning working, of course, for Jasper Philipsen. Biniam Gamay's Intermarché not that far off the nose either. Watch out for the green jersey, watch out for Mark Cavendish as well. 4.4 kilometres to go, and still they share this duty. Well, it's fine work by the pair of them, I must say, but they're being tagged as we speak. Coming over the Anderson Bridge. Just about to take another of the right-handers here. Kayadi doing a great job with Chris Froome. The only one who could respond to him, Nibali pulled the pin, he went back to the pack. Lotto Destiny just sparking it up right now, 4.1 kilometres to go. And look at Aston, they did a lot of the early work, then just let others come through to do some of the chasing. And now with 4 kilometres remaining, we're going to be hearing the bell next time by. They come over this majestic bridge where they get the dead turn at the end of Esplanade. They'll double back on Esplanade Bridge, then take Esplanade Drive, take us on Stamford Road before cutting back onto Connaught Drive. And indeed, that run for the line. That will be the bell, and then we will have, indeed, they should practicing the bell right now. You don't want to get that wrong. So yeah, they double turn out of the shadows back into the sunshine. Storm clouds just starting to gather on the hills in the background here, away from this peninsula. Let's wait and see. 3.5 kilometres from home. The only hill on the course is this bridge, this little almost chapeau melon as they come up and over the top. Well, we'll be dropping the chapeau to somebody at the end of today. And with the sort of firepower that we've got, it's really difficult to know who that might be. At the moment, Kayadi is doing a fantastic job. He's out front with Chris Froome, but look at the pack. They mean business, and they're starting to close this one down. Who's going to be a spoiler? Who's going to be the champion? We'll wait and see for this third Tour de France Prudential Singapore Criterium. The bell's going to toll in a few moments' time. Just over 3 kilometres to go. This would be almost full chat, about 90% full power on any other day. But I guess at the end of the long season, and of course on a Criterium course, you've got all the corners to think about. So still getting yourself into position. You can't really open up until you see that Flamme Rouge. And even then, you better make sure that you've got somebody with you potentially to guide you into a decent position. One short lead-out train, maybe just one rider who could get there. Let's wait and see. Thomas again looks like he's just going to be waving to the crowds almost on his own here. Well, we fate him. A great stager on all of the Grand Tours. Just wonderful to see him in action over the years. He really has been the most unpredictable of riders, sometimes just tempoing away in the mountains, other times just attacking on classics courses. He's been a genius. 2.5k to go. And here we come. It's going to be the bell this time by. Mark Cavendish has got a lead-out train par excellence by the look of him at the moment. Biniam Girmay and the Intermarché Wanty boys are also here. Jasper Philipsen may well hobo onto the Mark Cavendish train. Let's wait and see. There's a few others like Honor Delee that may well indeed start to upset the apple cart by the end of today. 2.2 to go. The bell has tolled on so many. Thomas again coming across the line. We'll be fating him a little bit later on, I am certain. But right now, it's about teeing yourself up for the big one. Let's run for home, shall we? Aston on the nose as they come over the Anderson Bridge. Intermarché Wanty just tucked in behind them. Honor Delee with his Lotto Destiny boys are also there. Jasper Philipsen with Absa de Koning likewise. They take this almost lazy, it seems, left-hander, but that belies the fact that it's a big squeeze here. 1900 metres to go as we look back through the pack here. Biniam Girmay is calling for action. Likewise, Honor Delee, the Belgian champion, wants the Lotto boys into position, although for the time being he's just on the back wheel of Jasper Philipsen from Absa de Koning. And still Astana have the nose. X Pro Cycling, they also want to get involved with the lipstick and custard familiar livery to them. 1600 metres to go. Another dead turn before they turn for the Flamme Rouge. And the finishing of this great event, and indeed the drawing to a close of many a great career as well. Mark Cavendish, there he is, just in the sunshine, almost bouncing dutifully into position at the moment. He's holding station as one of his wingmen peel off. I think that's Vinokurov, who's just headed off to the cone section here. And 1300 metres to go. Ignore the 500 marker, that will count once we've done this next turn. The Flamme Rouge beckons. Oh, this is fantastic. Dali, the Belgian champion, tucked in on the wheel of indeed Mark Cavendish. It looks like he's going to follow home here. We've also got Biniam grmay in the green jersey, watching out, waiting for the trick of Oren, and of course the opposite to Koenig. Jasper Philipsen in a very strong position right now. They've dealt with the Flamme Rouge. They take this left-hander right now and start to pick themselves back up. This is down the drive. They've dealt with the bridge, and all of a sudden it's end game scenario for all of these teams. Total Energies also want to get involved. Looking lively is Jasper Philipsen. Mark Cavendish still with two riders at his disposal here. Biniam grmay is there in the green jersey, following Jasper Philipsen, with Arnaud Dali also playing a game here. Let's wait and see if he's got all the cards indeed at the very end. And Intermarché Wanty it is to pick it up. Astana make a change of pace, and it's Jasper Philipsen that goes for it. Biniam grmay stays on his wheel. Philipsen's going to make the turn into this little technical section. And indeed he's going to emerge first here. Jasper Philipsen is there with Biniam grmay. Mark Cavendish is in third wheel. Arnaud Dali, the Belgian champion's also there. Philipsen goes over to the barriers. He's got the best route home, has he? Mark Cavendish is going to come through here. Dali's there. Likewise Biniam grmay, and Mark Cavendish is going to hit the line first. Oh my goodness, Mr. 35 has done it. Oh, Mark Cavendish brings it home, raises his arms in the air. Chapeau, sir, for all the joy of which this is just the latest.